Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how do you use the random module in Python. The random module is a built-in module in Python that allows you to generate pseudorandom numbers. Here's how to use it. 1. Import the module. Start by importing the random module with the following code. Import random. 2. Generating a random integer. To generate a random integer, you can use the randint function. It takes two arguments, a minimum and maximum value, and returns a random integer between them. For example, random_number equals random.randint 1, 10. This code generates a random integer between 1 and 10 and assigns it to the variable random_number. 3. Generating a random float. To generate a random float, you can use the uniform function. It takes two arguments, a minimum and maximum value, and returns a random float between them. For example, random_float equals random.uniform 0.0, 1.0. This code generates a random float between 0.0 and 1.0 and assigns it to the variable random_float. 4. Choosing a random element from a list. To choose a random element from a list, you can use the choice function. It takes a list as an argument and returns a random element from that list. For example, my_list equals apple, banana, cherry, random_element equals random.choice, my_list. Now let's run this example's code. Here is the output you will get. This code chooses a random element from the list my_list and assigns it to the variable random_element. There are many other functions available in the random module, such as shuffle, to shuffle a list in place, or sample, to select a random sample of elements from a list. You can find more information about the random module in the Python documentation. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.